Look around our solar system and you'll notice something strange. Earth has one moon. Mars has two. Jupiter and Saturn have dozens. Even tiny asteroids can have moons. But two planets stand out. Mercury and Venus, the two worlds closest to the Sun, have no moons at all. No natural satellites, no companions, nothing orbiting them. Why? Did they never have moons? Did they lose them? Or did something much more dramatic happen early in the solar system's history? Today, we explore what makes Mercury and Venus moonless, and what this tells us about how planets and moons are born. The solar system's moon pattern. Moons are not rare. In fact, they're one of the most common features of planetary systems. Gas giants collect moons from massive disks of gas and dust. Planets capture passing objects. Giant impacts can create moons from debris. Our own moon likely formed after a colossal collision between Earth and a Mars-sized body. So statistically, Mercury and Venus should have moons, yet they don't. That makes them the exception, and exceptions always have a story. Mercury, too close to the Sun. Let's start with Mercury. Mercury orbits incredibly close to the Sun, only about 58 million kilometers away. At that distance, the Sun's gravity is overwhelmingly powerful. The Hill Sphere. Every planet has a region around it where its gravity dominates. This region is called the Hill Sphere. For Mercury, that region is very small. So small that stable moon orbits are extremely difficult, even if Mercury captured a moon. It likely wouldn't last solar tides. The Sun constantly pulls on anything near Mercury. Over time, this tidal force would destabilize a moon's orbit, pull it away, or cause it to crash into Mercury. Did Mercury ever have a moon? It's possible Mercury once had a moon, or several small ones. But simulations suggest they would have been stripped away by the Sun, destroyed by impacts, or absorbed by Mercury itself. In short, Mercury lives too close to the Sun to keep a moon. Venus, the strange twin of Earth. Venus is more mysterious. It's nearly Earth's twin in size and mass. It formed in the same region of the solar system. So why does Earth have a moon, and Venus doesn't? Venus's slow, backward rotation. Venus rotates extremely slowly. One day on Venus is longer than its year. It also spins backwards compared to most planets. This unusual rotation plays a key role. Tidal interactions. If Venus ever had a moon, tidal forces between the planet and the Sun could have caused problems. Instead of stabilizing a moon's orbit, like Earth's moon does, Venus's slow rotation may have. Pulled moons inward caused orbital decay, led to collisions or ejections. A violent past. Another possibility. Venus once had a moon created by a giant impact, just like Earth. But later, massive volcanic resurfacing, extreme atmospheric evolution, or gravitational interactions with the Sun may have destroyed or absorbed that moon. Venus's surface has been almost completely reset in the past, wiping out geological evidence. If Venus lost a moon, the planet may have erased all traces of it. Why Earth kept its moon. So why did Earth succeed where Mercury and Venus failed? Earth sits at the perfect distance, far enough from the Sun with a large hill sphere and a fast rotation early in its history. This allowed Earth's moon to stabilize into a long-term orbit, slowly move outward, survive for billions of years. Mercury was too close. Venus was too unstable. Earth was lucky. What this tells us about planetary systems. Moon systems are fragile. They depend on distance from the star. Planetary rotation early impacts long-term gravitational balance. Even small changes can mean the difference between a planet with moons and a planet completely alone. Mercury and Venus remind us that planetary history is chaotic. What we see today is only the final chapter of a long, violent story. Mercury and Venus are moonless not because moons are rare, but because keeping a moon is hard. Mercury couldn't hold on to one. Venus likely lost it. And Earth? Earth simply got lucky. So the next time you look at the moon in the night sky, remember, it's not guaranteed, it's not permanent, and it didn't have to exist at all. In the solar system, even moons can disappear. If you enjoyed exploring the universe with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this journey.